Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to make a shoot 'em up game in Scratch. We're going to program the bullet sprite. So anyways, let's get started.
Grab a or if then and or if all, and we must put it inside of the forever loop. Okay, now let's get sensing. In sensing, we must grab the if they press and put it on the if. Okay, now let's get some verbal. And let's begin this verbal type. Okay. Time. Okay. Okay. Let's grab a step size to 0. And let's change the 0 to a 1. Let's put it on inside of the operator. And grab an equal operator and put it on the equal. Okay. That's a verbal. Grab a side. Grab a side verbal. And change this to 1. And let's go to motion and grab it, get to it, repeat it, and repeat it. Okay, if we couldn't, I must put it inside of the if then, not inside of the home. Okay, now let's go to sensing. In sensing, grab a backward number of state, and let's change the state to right one. Grab an exposition. Now let's go operator. Grab a plus operator, put save and opposite right one. Put it on the left side. And now put it now for us. We must try 5. Let's see. Okay. Now let's put background number. Let's grab a number, background number of state and change this to right one. And change this to white position. Okay. Now let's press space and it is the right position. Now let's let it look. Now click the select one player. Grab a select one player. Okay. Then we must grab a first we must get operator and we must grab an addition operator. And let's grab one of right one and let's put it on the left side. Let's put it on the left side and let's pass a line. Let's press space. Hide it. Okay. Now save. Okay. Okay. And okay. Please. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now let's go to control and grab and create clone of myself. Well, Okay, now, now grab a weight, one set squat, and take this 0.5 usual. Okay, let's go to verbal and let's grab a set size and let's change the 0 to 2. Okay, let's do a 2 here. Let's put it above that point 0.2. Now you can duplicate this and put it on those. And you must put it here on the right. You can change it to a negative or stay with negative. Okay. And now you must put a 1 on each. Okay. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe and like for tutorials and see ya.